We are now located at a critically important moment in history, when history is turning. At this time, the people of Pakistan must understand that it's not like yesterday and the day before yesterday, when the military can come with a barrel of a gun and take over the country and then take the country back to be a lapdog of American imperialism. Not at all. And open the territory of Pakistan for 14 years for NATO to send their weapons over to Afghanistan to kill our people. Not at all. A voice rose in Pakistan, a voice of credibility and integrity and courage, and said, no, Pakistan will not wage America's wars for America anymore. We pay tribute to that voice. The leadership of the Pakistan Armed Forces may not do it. The politicians who can be bought with US dollars may not do it. The ones who have betrayed the government of Pakistan and caused this US dollar regime change in Pakistan, tomorrow the people of Pakistan will deal with you. You are a pathetic sight today. My advice is for the people of Pakistan to pay attention to the Quran. My advice is to pay attention to Surah Al-Kahf of the Quran. My advice to Pakistan, pay attention to Dhul Qarnayn of the Quran, and to understand what I'm saying to you. This is not business as usual. Not at all. This is a new page in history. A new page in history has emerged with the Russian intervention in Ukraine. And Pakistan, the people of Pakistan, you have to be on the right side of history. The armed forces are led by people who are on the wrong side of history. The politicians, the professional politicians, as usual, are on the wrong side of history. But you have a leader in Pakistan who, despite the mistakes he made with the IMF and so on, yes, at least this leader had the courage and the integrity to say, we need to build the same relationship with Russia that we have with China. And they can have the US dollar revolution and regime change. It will not stop it. This caravan is moving on. You cannot prevent it. This caravan is moving on. Pakistan is going to build the same relationship with Russia that it has with China. You can't stop it, no matter how many more regime changes you have. I don't want to see the people of Pakistan coming out on the streets in violent demonstrations. I don't want to see blood flowing on the streets of Pakistan. No. Allah is with you. And if you put your trust in Allah, you'll be successful. This is an opportunity rather than a debacle. Allah says in the Quran, وَعَسَّى أَن تَكْرَهُ شَيْئًا وَهُوَ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ. It may be that you dislike something, but in it there is benefit for you. And so this is my message to you, that yes, we are very sad about the events that have taken in Pakistan. While they are beating their drums, US dollar drums, and they are happy, we are sad. But the majority of Pakistani people are with us. They don't have the majority. It's just a matter of time. You have to show your strength, show your numbers, and do it in a non-violent way. Do not give any opportunity for blood to be shed. Conduct yourselves now with dignity. Conduct yourselves now following in the sunnah of the man you follow as your leader, Nabi Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. And that is a non-violent response to show your strength in Pakistan, that this country cannot be stopped. This caravan cannot be stopped. The dogs can keep on barking. But Pakistan is going to build the same relationship with Russia that Pakistan has with China, and no one can stop that. not even the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of Pakistan. This is my advice to you, gently given to you today, gently given to you, and I hope you respond in this way, and we avoid bloodshed in Pakistan, we avoid civil war in Pakistan. And when they see the evidence, mounting evidence, that Pakistan is going to remain faithful to the Quran, Pakistan will recognize that the red line has been reached. The red line was reached in Ukraine, and now the red line is reached to Pakistan. It's not business as usual, Chief of Staff, not at all. It's a new page in history, and we're going to take the people of Pakistan on Sirat al-Mustaqim. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.